Stop doing what you hate. The big question, what if you were able to delete 70% of the tasks you dread and spend that time doing what you actually love? Here's the thing, most young actors, creators, they burn out doing boring admin work, emails, scheduling, editing, research, posting. Comment if you hate endless self-tapes, social media posting, audition, admin, and paperwork, memorizing lines under pressure, and editing content. People who actually make it don't do everything themselves. They protect their time and for what matters. What AI can actually do. Giving value. Write better audition, self-tapes, intros. Organize your schedule and auditions. Help you learn lines faster. Create content ideas for your social media. Summarize scripts and break down scenes. And one last thing I have here, generate practice questions for auditions. Real examples for you, instead of spending 2 hours editing a self-tape, let AI help put it in 15 minutes instead of staring at a blank page, trying to write a caption. AI gives you 10 options. And then another one I have here, instead of manually tracking every audition, AI organizes it all for you. Mindset shift. AI is not your competition. AI is your assistant that never gets tired, never complains, works while you sleep. The goal isn't to do more, it's to do less of what you hate so you can do more of what you love. AI isn't here to replace your creativity, it's here to protect it. What you're really protecting, self-tape or audition prep, hate it or love it. Social media content creation, hate it or love it. Script analysis and character work, hate it or love it. Admin and submissions, hate it or love it. School life balance, hate it or love it. Before AI versus after AI, your time, your energy, your art, and your love for acting, your love for the craft can come out even more. If nothing changes in the next 6 months, you will be drowning in the same hated tasks. You'll watch other actors pull ahead because they have more energy for auditions and creativity. You'll often feel even more burnt out and frustrated. The price of staying the same is higher price of change. Right now is the biggest advantage young actors ever had. If you're willing to use the tool, start small, pick one thing you hate this week and let AI handle it. Join my Done For You workshop to show you how you can set up your AI to work for you. Comment below at me, Tommy Kenyon 7, Instagram, X, wherever I'm at. Protect your time, protect your art. Let AI do the rest. AI is not replacing you. It is replacing people who don't use it.